How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the InvestTalk YouTube market wrap-up. U.S. stocks finished sharply higher today, ending near their best levels. The S&P 500, NASDAQ, and the Russell 2000 all logged their best sessions since the day after Trump's election victory in November. The Dow up 1.65%, the S&P 500 up 1.83%, NASDAQ up 2.45%, and Russell 2000 up 1.99%. Overall, breadth was very positive amid improved inflation sentiment on the back of a report, which we'll dive into at the end of this. Big tech was broadly higher. Tesla, the big standout from the tech space. Other outperformers included banks on the back of some positive earnings and forward-looking guidance, asset managers, credit cards, and home builders. Not a lot of poor performers today, so relative underperformers included managed care, airlines, apparel, A&D, machinery, and restaurants. Treasuries, looking at bonds, were notably firmer across the curve. The 30-year actually saw its sharpest daily yield drop in 2 months after touching 5% yesterday. Dollar index was down 20 basis points. Gold finished up 1.3%, and crude oil settled up 3.1%, largely erasing the slide we saw on Tuesday. Now, the broad rally was more than anything in the wake of the softer than feared December core CPI reading, which helped ease some inflationary fears and sparked a pullback in treasuries. Bank earnings, another positive and bright spot with better 2025 guidance, the big takeaway. But still, there's some Trump 2.0 uncertainty, which is still a high-profile overhang, though no explicit pushback from the incoming administration against those recent reports we saw about the gradual tariff implementation. Certainly, the market will be hoping to get some clarity tomorrow during the confirmation hearing for Treasury Secretary. Treasury nominee Bennett will provide more details on tariffs, taxes, and deficit dynamics. Digging into that CPI data, headline December CPI was up 40 basis points month over month, a bit hotter than consensus on really higher food and energy prices. But the big focus was on core CPI, coming in a touch lower than the street expected, up only 20 basis points month over month after seeing a 30 basis point rise in November. Shelter price inflation roughly in line with November as well, and the Fed's latest beige book noted a slight to modest economic growth across districts, with more contacts optimistic about 2025 than pessimistic. Retail sales, claims, and Bessent's confirmation hearing among the items in focus for Thursday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on. We'll see you back here tomorrow.